So this bike is pretty cool. Reminds me of my XSR900. Sitting very aggressively. Alright. I like to stay back because I want to sometimes go faster, and if there's someone behind me I can't really do that. Okay, yeah, this thing moves, man. I like. Third gear, I think there's 6 gears on this. What I'm talking about, man, when you could ride. Okay. Pretty good. Why does it feel like there's power missing though? What mode am I on? Already getting hurt. So this is a bike you can't really go on a long ride on for me, but man, it's so nimble. Pretty good. So guys, this bike I'm on is an Indian, as you can tell. FTR1200. I guess it has 1,200 cc's. It's a V-twin. Has the same engine as the Scout, as I'm told, and it moves. Look at this. Yeah, it goes. It's fast, very fast. Really reminds me of my XSR, but I think the XSR has a tad more responsive power because the engine's a parallel, and this is a V-twin, so it has torque. I think the XSR still is faster, or maybe because I'm not in the right mode and I don't know how to change the mode, and they don't want me to change the mode. Pop a wheelie, man. Pretty good. I like. See the turn, pretty nice. Very nice, very nice. I wouldn't mind riding this. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see if I can follow the line. Yeah, boy. I don't know, cruisers for me, man, they're like fat. I feel like they're big bikes, man. Like they're fat bikes. Like a bike like this, like a sports bike, man, feels like a, I don't know how you say this, like a nice skinny woman, you know? Wow, look at the view, guys. Oh, we're going back. Oh no, it's over. Woohoo! Yes! Alright, slow down, everybody. That was so much fun, that last part. Nice. So this is the bike, guys, look at it. It's a pretty nice bike with the colors and everything. There's this one, that one. Man, I think I want one. Anyways, that was the ride, guys.